Hello everyone, myself Khushi Goswami. My presentation topic is From Prometheus to Kalki, Ethics and Myth in the Creation Story, a comparative exploration of Frankenstein and the film Kalki. These are my personal information, a table of content. My research question is how do Mary Shelley's Frankenstein and Nag Ashwin's film Kalki describe the ethical dilemmas related to creation along with how the influence of mythology tends to address the humanity's future and challenges? Hypothesis: both Frankenstein and Kalki use mythical archetypes and stories to critique man's pride and the moral repercussion of creating something, while Frankenstein goes against the unchecked scientific hubris through the cautionary tale of tragedy, and Kalki affords a redemptive vision afoot in the mythological precepts of restoration and balance. Introduction: Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, written in 1880, is a tragedy about scientist named Victor Frankenstein who created life but failed to take care of it. His ambition is about to create a life without considering the ethical dilemmas within, and the creature throws out by society and started revenge leading to disaster. And Nag Ashwin's film Kalki is the science fiction tale of Indian mythological inspiration. It based on Kalki, the avatar of Vishnu, who comes to restore order in a broken world. The movie is a trade intermingling of myth while science blended with the question of how man is struggling with technology and environmental crisis and a necessity of savior that brings hope. Why compare Frankenstein and film Kalki? Frankenstein is a gothic novel questioning science and morality, and film Kalki is a futuristic reimagining of myth addressing modern dilemmas. Both explore ethic and humanity's future. That purpose of analyze how mythology and ethic shapes this narrative. Mythology in creation story. Frankenstein inspired by Greek myth Prometheus, and film Kalki was rooted in the Hindu prophecies of Kalki. Vishnu's avatar will restore order in decay's world. Responsibility of the creator. In the novel Frankenstein, Victor's neglect of his creation leads to his chaos. Here are in the novel we have a question: are creators accountable for their creation? Victor's failure to care for his creation shows how important it for creator to be accountable. If we think about modern technology like AI, creates must consider the possible outcomes and consequence of their inventions, just as a victor's neglect lead to chaos. A lack of responsibility in technology can also have a serious consequence. In the film Kalki, futuristic dilemmas like AI technology: can technological creation be ethical? In the case of AI and advanced technology, creators must think carefully about how this creation can be used responsibly. As Sir asked us how we prompt in Chat GPT, how we asked a question to Chat GPT. Like this, in Kalki, we see the struggle to balance technological progress with ethical responsibility. Just as in Frankenstein, if creators ignore the moral consequences of their invention, chaos can follow. This dharmo rakshitah, this line connected with Victor. Victor has ambition to create a life without considering ethical dilemma. So if Victor create a life but he forgot to his responsibility, and then after that lead him to his downfall. And then so if Victor take care about his creation and he learn to the monster, so that prevented his life. Overstepping boundaries. In the Frankenstein, Victor's Uberus is playing God, leading to his downfall. And in the while Kalki's humanity's overreach with technology might bring societal collapse. Comparison of the character. Monster was a AI technology in Kalki. A monster is a tragic being abandoned by its creator, and like AI likely represents advanced AI or machines. Monster seeks love and acceptance but becomes a vengefully. And AI could be challenge humanity's control or values. Monster symbolize the cost of neglecting one's creation, and AI represents the dangers of uncontrolled progress. Victor's Frankenstein comparison with the Prabhas, who is the hero of the film, a scientist who has an ambition to create life, and Prabhas was a savior tasked with saving the world. Victor's ambition and pride drive him. Prabhas motivated by a sense of duty and justice. Victor develops life but leaves behind his duty, and Prabhas was a fight to restore balance and protect humanities. Victor, his action leads to the destruction of tragedy, and Prabhas' mission like brings a hope and renewal. Lesson from the Prometheus and Kalki. The power of creation comes with moral responsibility, and mythology offers timeless insights into modern challenges. The balance between progress and ethical is crucial for humanity's future. In conclusion, creation is both a gift and a burden, requiring vision, humanity, and responsibility. Ethic ensure accountability and balance, preventing harm. Mythology inspire reflection about a universal value because it grounds innovation with timeless wisdom. These are my references. Thank you. If anybody has a question, you can ask.
Kushi, my question is, how is Kalki similar to Frankenstein?
Kalki is similar to Frankenstein. Both has a creation. In Frankenstein, Victor created life without the help of moral, ethical dilemmas, and in the Kalki, while heroes must be protect a breakable world and imbalanced society.
Kushi, my question is, what is the main ideas of Frankenstein by Mary Shelley?
Yes, Mary Shelley represents the current scientific innovation in of electricity in her novel, and also his main idea of Victor's ambition and his over ambition.